Hello students, how are you? In our last class we talk about articles. Articles are of three types. There are three articles which are a and the. They are called articles. There are two indefinite article. Indefinite article means we can use them with anything. They did not point out any particular person or thing. They can be used with any person or anything. A and an. But when we talk about the use of the is the definite article and it normally points out a particular person or thing. We use the with a particular person or thing. We use a with consonants, word beginning with consonants, words having sound of yo, या words beginning with sound of w, consonant sound of w. We use and with words beginning with a vowel a, I, E, O, U. You all know that what vowels are a, I, E, O, U. These five are our vowels. We use and with these five vowels. We use and wherever H is silent in the beginning of the word. The is used with a particular person, or when a singular noun is used to indicate the whole class, we use the. We use the with the names of the rivers, bays, oceans, mountains. We use the with the names of newspapers. We use the with the common nouns whose names are unique, before direction, before the superlative degrees of adjectives, and before ordinal numerical adjectives like biggest, highest, first, second, etc. In this class we will talk about omission of the articles. Omission hatana. The आर्टिकल दी इज ओमिटेड बिफोर. जो आर्टिकल दी है उसको हटा दिया जाता है किन चीज़ों से पहले? फर्स्ट, प्रॉपर नाउन्स, नेम ऑफ पर्सन, नेम्स ऑफ द पर्सन लाइक अशोका, अकबर, जॉर्ज बुश एट्सेट्रा. We didn't use the before these names. We didn't use the before the names of the cities and towns like Delhi, Mumbai, Meerut, etc. We didn't use the Delhi, the Mumbai, the Meerut. We didn't use the article with the names of the country like India, Bangladesh. We never used to call the India, the Bangladesh. Names of the streets and roads. We didn't use the with the names of the streets and roads like Circular Road, Shahjahan Road, Victoria Road, etc. We didn't use the with the names of the days of weeks. Week's name, we didn't use the. We didn't use the with the names of the months like the Jan, the Feb. We didn't use the Jan. It's only Jan, Feb, March, April. Names of the materials like gold, silver, cotton. We didn't use the gold. We just use gold. Abstract nouns when used in general sense, etc. Example: wisdom is preferable to riches. Health is better than wealth. Abstract nouns are nouns which we cannot see, just we can feel them. Now we will do the exercise of the chapter, topic, article and their uses. First one is fill in the blanks with a, an or the suitably. The honest man speaks dash truth. Use a, an or the. The honest man speaks the truth. A European met me on the way. Which is the longest railway platform in India? China is one of the most industrialized countries in the world. China is one of the most industrialized countries in the world. I purchase a knife. In knife, K is silent. N N is a consonant. An ink pot. Ink pot, it is having the sound of A-I-E-O-U. And a book. Delhi is not dash very cheap place to live in. Delhi is not a very cheap place to live in. We found an egg in the nest. We found an egg in the nest. I know the way to station. I know the way to station. Next exercise is rewrite the following sentences, inserting or omitting articles wherever necessary. I admire honesty of this boy. We have to rewrite the sentences either by inserting or by omitting articles. Inserting means by putting the article a and the, or by omitting or by cutting the articles wherever necessary, जहाँ पर ज़रूरत हो. I admire the honesty of this boy. We put the before I admire the honesty of this boy. Draw in this line, in this sentence, we will put draw a map of India or draw the map of India. Next is how blue the sky. How blue the sky looks. I will reach there by noon. We will omit A. I will reach there by noon. A tomato is always good to eat. A tomato is always good to eat. Have you ever seen an elephant? Have you ever seen an elephant? Pooja is a naughty girl. Pooja is a naughty girl. The iron is an useful metal. The iron is a useful metal. The iron is a useful metal. This is your fourth topic of articles and their uses completed. Complete the following exercises at home. Stay safe at home and be ready for your next class. Till that time, stay safe at home.